Can you say, Glama, I love you?
Mama, I
Thank you. So we're here at Walmart to get this garment rack right here because we're gonna make the whole pegboard jewelry display for my paparazzi. And now we're looking for 4 big hooks like that, but we need that part to be even bigger to go around the garment rack rod. And then we're gonna need 4 of these, but I want them thicker, not so thin. So we're gonna go to Lowe's to go get the pegboard and probably the S hooks and stuff because Walmart doesn't have that much of a selection for the S hooks. All right, so that's what's happening now. And we're getting Petrova some Moana panties, and right now we're getting sodas and water. And Adam's cold coffee. I don't know.
Snaps.
We don't have any dessert.
More ice cream cones?
I guess. That's what I've been craving lately. Ice cream. I'll show you my dessert of choice at the end of the night. I try not to eat it too late so that I can still kind of sort of work it off. There they are.
Take your pick, my dear. Flavors to choose from.
I like just the plain vanillas.
The original.
Original.
You can make mini ones.
Show me. Dang. Awesome. Okay. Out of Walmart. Heading to Lowe's actually. Go get the pegboard and the hooks. And yeah. Ooh, the ice cream's gonna melt.
Yes. I figured it'd be worse.
I didn't think about that. Darn.
I can run home first. I can just go back to Lowe's by myself if you like.
I want to go to Lowe's.
Okay.
I was gonna film it in case I ever decide to film how to build your paparazzi display.
Right.
I wanted to kind of film them cutting it and everything. Okay, we're at Lowe's. Let's look for the pegboard. Where's the pegboard? Where's the pegboard? Way yet? Way yet?
Yeah, pegboard.
Aisle 45. And I'm gonna get white and just leave it white because it's not really gonna be for my backdrop. It's just gonna be to have next to me to grab furniture. And if I ever go to any kind of craft fair or craft show.
Let me see if I can find somebody.
20 bucks? I thought they were cheaper than that. Oh, the brown ones are
a
cheaper.
couple bucks less. The brown ones are 17.48. These are.
Why do we need one that big? Are you sure we don't just need one that size?
Well, you wanted to cut the size of pieces.
What size is this? Because maybe we wouldn't have left over if we did this. Because I thought that someone that I watched said that when you cut them that size, that it almost down the middle and down perfect.
Well, yeah, that one you cut down the middle and then in three.
Nope, that's too little.
2 of these by themselves.
Yeah, what size is that? How long is that? If we got 2 of those, that would still be $16, and that's, yeah.
Yeah.
So look at how huge this one is. That is weight. That's a lot.
That'll get you 6 pieces.
Wow.
It'll be about a third. So it's going to be about this right here and half. 32 by 24 will be the pieces that you get out of it.
Okay. So I only need 4 pieces for one rack, but we're gonna have 2 pieces extra, I guess, for my next rack. Here he comes. On to the S-hooks now. So we actually bought white ones. So I'm just gonna leave them white.
Hooks? Hooks just specifically for those? Maybe on aisle 14. Yeah, 14 for those. For those specifically,
Aisle 14, but they weren't sure. They didn't sound too sure.
Hardwood.
Yeah.
Should be.
Yeah. We got hooks, but not the kind exactly that we're looking for.
Maybe it's all on 30, like you were saying.
30? I didn't even hear him mention
You
30.
said to find the hooks like to use for the pegboard, to hang stuff on, looking 30.
34.66. So I guess I bought this for them a long time ago, for Petrova a long time ago.
Okay, I think you do this.
Oh wow, you just rub it on there? Wow. She can even rub it herself if she wants, huh? That's weird that you just rub it.
I know, I thought you would put it back in there, but no.
Yeah. The other side, that way.
This way. Blow, blow, blow.
Whoa. See if she can rub it herself.
Can you do it yourself?
Or does she have to squeeze and rub at the same time?
Yeah, I kind of.
Wow. That's pretty nifty. I hope she doesn't suck in. She might taste the
Yeah, the
soap.
soap says too not to suck in. I wonder if you can just do this with like any Dawn soap, you know, like with any like bubbles,
Yeah.
or has to be this solution or what?
No, I'm sure any dish soap.
It feels really sticky. Whoa.
Blow, blow, blow. Wow, that's so cool. That's a horse of a different color, huh? That's a different bubble maker.
Are you doing it just like him? Just like that guy?
Uh-oh.
Maybe add more stuff, see if more comes out.
It's okay.
You don't like it because it's sticky? Wow. Catch the bubbles. Catch them. Here, wipe. Just wipe them right here. Wipe your hands right there. Wipe your hands. Clean your hands. Go ahead. Glama's giving you permission.
Look, 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 look.
There's lots of baby ones. They're just little babies. She does not like to be dirty. On the pillow.
Now it has your red fuzz from your pants.
That's why she didn't. She must not have liked the felt,
See,
the feel of
it's different because it kind of looks like glue. You know, when you like rub
Oh, weird.
glue between your hands, kind of sticky.
Well, that's not cool though. If it's only once that runs out,
Well,
it's it.
I think you might have got this from the dollar store. I've seen them at the dollar store before. So it's only $1.
Yeah.
Probably why. Like one and done, maybe. And then she can just play with this and look, watch. Woo!
Catch him! Catch him! Catch him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
I don't want to touch him anymore.
She probably just doesn't want to touch the. Whoa! You're so concerned about being dirty.
I'm a girl.
Show Papa.
Joy.
Show him what you're supposed to do, Finesse. This is different. Look at this bubble maker that I must have gotten it at Dollar Tree. You just rub it on there.
Look, Patrol. Got one.
You want to do it?
Hard, hard.
You should do it.
She doesn't like to get dirty.
Different bubbles.
Are you polishing her nails? Do the other one. Do the other paw. Oh, wow. Are you polishing Willow's nails? Wow. Do you like them, Willow? Are they pretty? Wow, are you all done? Yay!
What color are they?
So pretty.
What color are you painting them? Huh? White? You're painting them white?
Mmm.
Is that fun?
Yay! The FedEx man just rang the doorbell. I think it's my new paparazzi stuff. My inventory. Here it is. Wow, it's littler than the first box. And the first box only had 35 pieces of jewelry. This one has like 100 and something pieces. Oh my goodness. I still can't get over how little the box is. Wow. It says, make it a blockbuster spring. Yay! It is a tiny box though. Wow. Curious to see just how it's all packaged in there. Hey guys, my new inventory is here. I just got done going live on my YouTube channel because I go live every Monday with them, and I opened up some of the pieces with them. This is what I opened up with them. Don't mind the messy room, but these are all the pieces that I opened up and showed them. I showed them a few rings, necklaces, and bracelets and stuff. This is all the stuff I opened with them, and I swear I opened up about 20 pieces and I didn't even make a dent in the box that I still have to go through. So I'm going to be going live tonight. So this is a preview of what you can kind of see. And so here, oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite things. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. And it has some nice weight to it. Here are the earrings. I can't wait to go live with you guys. So I will see y'all later. I think I'm going to go live on my business page. So I will announce that later. But if you don't know what my business page is, just type in my Paparazzi, and that's my business page, and go and follow it so you can see me live there. So yeah, I think I'm going to go live about 7 or so. I'll let you know later when it's closer to that time exactly what time I'll go live. So right now I'm going to get done with this when I get done with this, I'm going to make a clothes rack pegboard display. And so I'm going to film that for my YouTube channel. And then I'm going to finish going through, well, first I'm going to finish going through all my jewelry because I'm so excited to see everything that I got. Oh my word, so gorgeous. I have over 100+ items in there. Alrighty guys, I love you and I will see you tonight. I hope you guys can make it to party with me. All right, bye. Mwah. Besitos. Can't see it. But anyway, I love the quality of everything that I bought. I started doing research and I'm thinking that's only $5, what? So I started doing research and I liked everything I was hearing. And yeah, it's fun. It's fun. This is what I do. This is what I do on YouTube all the time. So hey, I can handle this. I can carry this on into the evening time. Okay, so let me see. So I have 4 people in here. I guess I'll just go ahead and get started, and if anybody misses anything, they'll just have to watch the replay of this. And yeah. So if you see anything that you like, all you have to do is comment the number and then say sold in the comments. And then if you do purchase something, then all you have to do is, if you're new to purchasing with me, if you've already purchased with me before, then I probably already have your information. But if you're new to purchasing with me, then just message me your email and your mailing address, your email, so that I can invoice you tonight. And then you would have 24 hours till tomorrow night to pay the invoice, and then I will ship it out to your mailing address. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I don't know why I keep doing my hand like this. But anyway, let me see if I have any more comments. All right, I don't have any more comments. We have 7 people in here, so I guess I will get started. And we're going to get started with those gorgeous bangles. When I opened these, I wasn't sure if they were rose gold or gold. My eyes were playing tricks on me. But then when I looked at the name of it, I wrote the names on everything. It's called Straight. Wait, what is it? Straight Street. And it says it's gold. So this, oh, these are so pretty. This is number 1, right here, item number 1. And you can wear them together. Let me stand back so you can see it a little further. Let me stand way back so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, so you can see the bangles. That's probably too far. I washed you guys out. So there's this, and now I'm going to try to switch to camera 2 and hope that I don't mess things up. So this is number 1. And let's see if I can do this by myself. So I don't know if you can see the detail or not. There's a shadow. I wish I had another light on this side over here. But this is number 1. So cute. So pretty. Let me get in the shot there. So yeah. So cute. I love these. And they are gold, but they kind of, to me, have a little hint of rose gold almost. So nice. Alright, so that is number 1. Let me switch back. Okay, so that is number 1, guys. I love it. I'm going to try to not spend as much time on one particular item because I feel like I tend to take too much time on one item. But I know that when I'm shopping and when I'm looking at other people's paparazzi parties, I feel like they go too fast and I need time to think. Do I want it? Do I need it? And usually the answer is yes, but it makes me fall in love with it more the more they show it to me, and it's like, oh, okay, I gotta have it. Okay, I'll take it. So this is number 1 with a big, it looks like, what's that? What would that stone be? Like a emerald cut diamond in the middle, and then little teeny tiny little round little, why can't I think? Little round, oh my goodness, rhinestones, that's the word. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at those. Aren't they cute? So I don't know if I should be using the second camera or not, because I think this is doing really good right now. Look at that. It's really focused, isn't it, Adam? Or do I just think it is?
No, it's doing pretty good.
Yeah, it's actually pretty focused. So this is pretty. These are called Can't Stop the Rain. Very cute. Number 10. Yeah, only $5, guys. And this too has some weight to them, but not enough that it's gonna pull your ears and stress your ear out. So far, it looks like Andy's the only one who's shared my page, right, babe? My video?
That's all I've seen pop up.
Okay, so it looks like if no one else gets in the drawing, you're going to be winning yourself something. Okay, so if you don't mind, hit the share button, tag someone in the comments, and share this to your timeline, and just let them know to come on over here. We've got beautiful jewelry for $5. This is number 10. These are so gorgeous. Aren't these beautiful, Adam?
They are gorgeous. They're you.
They are me. I told you these are me. Okay, number 10. All you gotta do is say number 10 sold. I've got 2 of these. Play music. Do you know how to play music? Wow. Wow, she plays on this one, then she plays on that one. She plays on both of them. Wow. You're awesome. You are so awesome. The doorbell just rang. Willow, who is it? This morning it was HelloFresh. Who is it? I'm not supposed to be getting anything till tomorrow. Is it my paparazzi? Is it early? Yes, look, I see a pink box. Woohoo! Yay! Here it is. It's early. Yay! Awesome! Can't wait to open it. I don't know why I get so excited. I guess I get excited because it's not just stuff to sell. It's also stuff for me, because I usually order myself stuff. But I didn't order myself too much jewelry this time. This time I mostly ordered stuff to sell, and I got a bling bag so that when I go shopping, I can display the bling the bling in the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna open that later, or in just a second. Woohoo! I'll show you guys what's in it. And I'm not gonna have a party tonight because it's Tuesday. I just had a party yesterday. So I think I'll have one tomorrow, Wednesday, about 7 or 7:30. Are you excited, Willow? Are you excited? Are you so excited? Now they're not going to talk. Hi, Gavin. I'll ignore them and maybe they'll talk. Hi. Hi. Look, you can see yourself. Look. Who's that? Is that a baby boy? You're just looking at me. Uh-oh, now they're doing the whole mind thing. I should have recorded it when it was good.
She don't like this in your mouth, baby. I think that's what she was trying to tell you.
Oh, she doesn't like that in the mouth.
She's just scared of it. That's why.
Maybe because she's scared of it, she doesn't think Zoe should have it. They just bought it yesterday, and you blow it up. Uh-oh, Mommy's coming back, Zoe. Zoe, come here. Mommy's coming back. What you doing? You're going to fall with that table because that table turns, baby. That table turns. Hi. Look who's here. I've got the Gavin. I've got baby Mijo. Mijo's here. Hi. He loves this, and this was from his baby shower. Oh, you love that, don't you? Is that a cool looking baby? Huh? Are you a cool looking baby? Gavin. Look. Who's that? Is that a baby? Look. Is that a baby? Are you a baby? Can you say baby? Can you say mama? Can you say daddy? Hmm? Yeah, you're so cute, aren't you? Are you just so cute? Uh-oh. Fell down. It fell down. Look at how handsome you are, little guy. You're so handsome. Grandma's missed you and your sister Zoe. Oh, you dropped that too? You don't want it anymore? Everything goes in the mouth, huh? Everything goes in the mouth. Handsome boy. handsome boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. He's so cute. Hi, handsome boy. What you doing? Huh? Are you coming to Glama? Huh? Are you gonna come to Glama? Hi, handsome boy. Hi. Uh-oh, no, you can't go to that, though. You can't have Paris's food. No, no, no. No, no, no. You're doing so good. And they say you already know how to walk. You just have to get off those tippy toes. Yeah, get off those tippy toes, huh? Should we put shoes on you? I saw the shoes that Glama got you in your little backpack. You're gonna fall, baby boy. Careful. You think you're a big boy, huh? Well, you are a big boy. Uh-oh, careful. You want to try that? Are you gonna try it? Are you gonna be a big boy and try it? Oh, that was a burp, huh? Excuse me. That was a burp. Oh, wow. You pull yourself up so good. You're such a big boy, mijo. Glama loves you. Uh-oh, careful. You almost went backwards. What? Can you say Glama? You go, are you growling because you see a dog, huh? Is that how dogs talk? Yay! Yay! Are you looking for Paris? There's Paris. There she is. You're trying to climb up. Oh my word, you are climbing up. Boy, you're gonna fall. You just about did it. You almost got up that, you had 1 foot up that step. Don't mess with the doggy stuff. You like that mesh thing. Ah, no! You want to try the slide, baby boy? Do you want to try the slide? Look. Here you go. Whee! Are we going to go wee? Wee! Whee! You want to do it again? 1, 2, 3. Do you like it? Do you like it? Look at he's trying to go by himself. Whoa, he went by himself. It's a good thing Glama was holding you. I knew you were going to do that. Whee! He's doing it all by himself. Look. He pushes himself down. Whee! He loves it. Glama's going to have to get you one, huh? Let's put this down here so we can see how you land. Come here. Let's see how you land. Here, let's get this out of your mouth. Okay. Look, he lets himself go. That is so cute. 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3. I'm barely holding his hand. I'm barely holding his wrist. That's so fun, huh? You want to do it again, don't you? You want to slide again. That was fun, huh? Was that fun? Don't you fall backwards, little guy. Don't you fall backwards. Glama's here. Are you going to go wee? Wee! Yeah, wee! You love that, don't you? Glama's got to get you one. You and Zoe. Yeah, Zoe loves it too. Hi, baby. Oh, he put his head on me. So adorable. I love you too, puppy. You remember Glama, don't you? We used to have our mornings together. I miss that. Yeah, I miss our mornings together. Come here, puppy. Oh, yes, you do remember, don't you? I love you. Yo te amo. Yo te amo, papi. Are you trying to copy Glama, huh? Look. Hi, puppy. Hi, my little boy. Oh, the baby. You put your head down on Glama's lap. Oh, you growling. What are you? Oh, what are you? Are you a little animal? Are you a little animal? Hmm? You're going to keep trying to go over there for that dog food, aren't you? Yes, you are. Let me pause this because I know you're going. Oh, good. Squirrel. You got distracted. Squirrel. Now what are you going to do? Glama took all the dog food and the water away. Now what? Now you want to go in the fireplace. Of course. But of course you want to go in the fireplace. That's not for little baby boys. 1, 2, 3. You're going to slide. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at him trying to get up there. Baby, you're going to fall backwards. Oh, you're putting your head on Glama again. Oh, I love you too, mijo. I love you too. You've missed me, I can tell. Yeah, I could tell. Do you remember my voice when I used to make little baby voices and pretend that you were talking, huh? I used to make little Gavin voices. Yeah. Oh, there's the fireplace again. No, no, no. Get you far away from that fireplace, huh? Keep you far away. Every time he sees one of these animals, he growls. Urgh. Urgh. Are you gonna chew that? Hmm? You have teeth, don't you? Yes, you do. Hi, handsome boy. Say it.
Now she won't say it.
You got it, dude.
I got a dude.
You got it, dude.
I got a dude.
You got it, dude.
You got it, dude.
I got a dude.
Oh, you're just acting for the camera.
Go like this with your thumb, Petrova.
You got it, dude.
I got a dude.
Gavin, a bunch of toys, huh? Are you being a nice cousin? Are you so sweet? You're so sweet. Looks like a daycare in here, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Say, you got it, dude. Are you so nice to your cousin? Uh-oh, babies. There you go, she said. So she emptied out that one. Now she's going to empty out that one and give them all to Gavin. Oh, be nice. Be nice. You were just being so nice. He can have all the toys. He just can't have the container, huh? Oh, is Paris walking all over the toys, huh? You're such a protector. You're such a big mommy. Oh, don't say that. Don't say mine. Gotta share with cousin. Yeah. Hey, Gabby. Hey, Petrovi. Are you taking care of cousin?
I usually put her because I didn't want her.
I put the baby in here and Petrova said, play. She wanted to play too. Are you playing? Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Look at my two beauties. My handsome boy, my beauty girl. And the baby fell asleep. Yeah.
Just last week, Penny ended a sentence with the preposition. You didn't even mention it.
Glama misses this.
I just waited until I got home and screamed into a pillow.
I was playing with his hair so he would fall asleep. He was playing with my bottom lip as I was playing with his hair, and he fell asleep. And he rolled into me. Like just scooted all into my chest.
I never realized my friends viewed me
me as an object of ridicule.
Oh, I
I
don't
love
think
the
that's
baby
true.
boy.
They laughed, Amy, in a derisive way. Not me.
Hi, did you wake up? Look at your hair looks like Dennis the Menace. Hi. Oh, you don't like my glasses? You're not sure about the glasses? Hi, who is that? Who is that boy? Who is that boy? Who's that handsome boy?
I can keep apologizing, or
He leans on me.
I can
Oh,
hold
the
my pain
bubbles.
together on its own.
Oh,
Or I
the
can talk to my
Bobo's so tired.
gynecologist today.
Oh, the
You can
Bobo's so
choose to have
tired.
endometriosis, but you can choose to ask
It's a
if
good thing
Oralisa
Glama
is right
doesn't
for
go to
you.
sleep till
Oralisa
3 in
is
the morning
specifically
because I
developed
think
for women
you're
with
not going to get
moderate to
sleepy
severe
again till then.
endometriosis pain. In clinical trials, Oralisa was proven to taking drugs like cyclosporin or genthicizine.
Just lay down on my lap.
Abnormal liver tests. Oralisa may change your periods, making it hard to know if you are pregnant. It does not prevent pregnancy.
Peekaboo.
Use birth control that does not contain hormones. Oralisa may cause suicidal thoughts or actions. It may also cause bone loss. Ask your gynecologist if Oralisa is right for you. Oralisa, made for everybody.
Who's that? Is that Papa talking?
The tree in the river.
My dear family feud, rated PG-13, March 1st.
After my divorce,
I was looking for a companion, and we had a connection.
corny as it sounds.
Morning, baby boy. Good morning. No, don't get up, babies. What are you doing, huh? Did you wake up this morning so happy? You got Honey Nut Cheerios? Uh-oh, careful. Don't spill. Did you sleep next to Glama's bed in a playpen, huh? Did you have a good night? Yes, you did. Uh-oh, you're spilling. Baby. Brrr. 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 That's not a brush. That's to wash dishes with. That's not a brush, baby boy. Oh, those are dishes. Yeah. You're so cute. You're too cute. You know that? Yeah. Having his morning baba. Yeah. He's having his morning baba, and I'm having my morning coffee. And he's watching a morning show. Yay. He keeps touching the cup because it's warm. Yeah. Hi. Good morning, Petrova. Ata, good morning. Do you know that Glama used to say that to you and I didn't even know that you were going to call yourself Ata? And now it makes perfect sense. Ata, good morning. Maybe I knew deep down in my heart that you were going to say that your name was Ata. Dr. Ata. Hey, Gavin. Is that your cousin? Is that your cousin? Are you having fun already so early? You never come out of your room this early. Yeah. Aw, baby Gavin. Last night I told her this was baby Jack Jack and she thought it was so cool. I said, doesn't he look like baby Jack Jack? And she loves baby Jack Jack. Uh-oh. Yeah, baby Jack Jack. You say, hi, baby Jack Jack. Mm-hmm. Is he so cute? Did you just give him a ball? Don't fall, baby. Don't fall forward. Where's he going, Petrova? Where's he going? We have to be careful that he doesn't pull that candlestick down. Are you going to crawl like a baby? Where's he going? Is he exploring? Is he exploring? Where are you going? You went in a big circle. Started over there, went in a big circle. He was washing your dishes this morning, only he was washing his hair with the scrub brush. He was going like this. He stood up and watch your head. I know Petrova used to hit her head on that bench. He's on the run again. Outside. You want to go outside? Yeah. Oh, Gavin. Petrova, Gavin. Y'all are so cute. Is he funny? Is he funny? He's bony, huh? That's how Petrova says funny. He's bony. Uh-oh, fall down. Say, be careful. Yeah. Yeah, that's Alfred. Alfred's night-night. Alfred already did his job today, supposedly. Birds. I guess, yeah, it is. You're right. I posted yesterday, 1 day away. And birds. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Birds. Gavin. Petrova. Gavin, look. Brr, brr. So Petrova, didn't I tell you guys that she is just a unique little child? She loves girly things, but she loves toys that are for boys, and she picked out those Spider-Man pajamas for mommy to buy her. She is so cool. But yet she loves her nails polished, her hair done, her jewelry. She always has her purple necklace on. Oh, she doesn't have it on right now. She takes it off for nighttime, but she was distracted this morning because she knew baby Gavin was down here. But she always wears her watch. Are you having fun with cousin? Does he look like baby Jack? Yeah, butterfly. You're right. They're having so much fun in here. So I've got my vlog up. Last night after Gavin went to sleep, I worked on my vlog until about 2 or 3 in the morning. Yeah, hi baby boy. Yeah, Glama was working after you went to bed. And there's Petrova. Look at Petrova. Look, you're chasing the big kids around. So that, yeah, it's at the park, you're right. She's just having fun running around like that. There's our Bills. Bills. Hey! He saw me and said, hey. Is he cute, Petrova? Is he so cute? Are you guys sharing out of that little tub? Uh-oh, he saw me, so he's coming over here. Hey, little man. That's from Jenny's Craft Shack. This is from Jenny Montero. I know that she has an Etsy shop, and Jenny's Craft Shack. There's a plug, another plug. Later on in this video, you'll see I give her another plug. Y'all are playing so nicely.
So this is today's meal that we're going to be preparing, and it looks delish. These are the instructions.
Oh, little man.
And it seems like an...
Hi, Dr. Atta. Is the baby sick? Huh?
She hasn't done that yet. I thought she was going to do that.
Dr. Atta is taking care of the baby. Oh, yeah. What are you going to do with that, huh? An uncooperative baby like you, huh, when you go to the doctor. Yeah, it's medicine. Dr. Atta, he doesn't know what to do with that, does he? What's he doing? He's gonna eat the medicine. No. Uh-oh, he dropped it. Uh-oh, he threw it again. She wants to doctor him, but he doesn't want her to. Say, ah. The baby doesn't know how to play, baby. She said he's... Can you say it again? Say, all better. Aw, she said he was all better. Whoa. Cooking with Glama. Uh-oh. You okay? You got Cheerios, huh? Ooh. Is he cute? Is he so cute? She just wants to stare at him. Push the button real quick, Vanessa, to take a picture when she's looking at him.
Your hands in the mic. I can't see her face.
You can't try to maneuver yourself to look? Is he so cute, Petrova? Yeah, he's got an owie, huh? He scratched himself. Yeah, he's got an owie. Is he so cute? Hmm? Yeah, what is that? What's this? What's that? Hmm? What's that? What is it? Do you know what it is? That's a crown. Oh, you do know what it is. Did you try to put that on your head? You're so silly. You're so silly. Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh. Careful, careful, baby. Okay, guys, so I broke the seal on this. It's Petrova's in the shot. So this is from Vista Print, so it's my business cards. Here, come back here, baby. Come back here. You want to see what's in here? So these are my business cards and some mouses and a pen. And this is my paparazzi order that I've been waiting for. It got here yesterday. It got here early. But today's Wednesday, but I was babysitting Gavin, and so I didn't open it yesterday. So let's see what's in here. Look, there's plastic. Plastic, it's bubbles. There's bubbles. So yeah, okay, so here's my cards. And they had some really weird cards. They had like, what do you call it? Square cards. And so that's the first thing that popped up. So I just went ahead and got square cards because I thought they were unique. No, baby, not in front of the camera. So I went ahead and ordered a pen so that when I'm writing names down during my lives, my paparazzi lives, it says Paparazzi, Leticia Wilson, and then it has my website, www.myglamorazzi.com. So cool. And then here's my business cards. They're a square shape, so I'm really curious. Oh, they're tinier than I thought. Oh my word, they're so little. Look how cute that is, though. There they are. They're square. It says Paparazzi, changing the world $5 at a time. Leticia Wilson, paparazzi, independent business owner. And then back here, it's got some information too. Yay! So there they are. They're so adorable. I love these. So I can start putting these in my little origami bags when I fill orders. So cute. So I only got 250 of them. So that's what's in here. Are you being silly? And then I got a couple of mouses too. So not mouses, mouse pads. Mouses. What? Mouses? So I got one. I got one for upstairs at my desk, and then I got one for down here when I work downstairs. I usually work on my chair, and I can put this on the arm of my chair and use it. So there's the mouse. Yay, this was like $5 or $6. And I got 2 of them. So here's the second one. Yeah, we're not gonna do bubbles right now, baby. And then here's I don't know what it is. Coupon or something. So that's it. That's all that's in here. Yeah. My business cards, 2 mouse pads. What do you call that? Is that what you call it? A mouse pad? And I need to go get scissors and a pen. Here's a pen. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go get a little knife or a pair of scissors.
My favorite is Mama.
She just keeps getting her face right up in the camera. So I just have to keep telling her to get back, because she's fine. Right now she's got her face all up in there entertaining them. Are you entertaining them? You're so silly. Okay, and now I'm really excited about this shipment because I have a bling bag coming. And what the bling bag is, you'll see it in a second. It's got clear pockets on the outside so that when I go shopping or somewhere, I can put jewelry in there so people can ask me about it and maybe make a couple sales. Yeah.
Jewelry.
Jewelry, you're right, it's jewelry.
Jewelry.
Yeah, let's look at it. There you go. Yeah, let's get that. Ooh, look at all that jewelry. Look. Wait. I'm going to show everyone. Look at all that jewelry.
Yeah.
Yay. You want that paper? Yeah, here. You want it? Oh, did she lick you? So yeah, there's all kinds of jewelry. Ooh, look at that leather band. That leather wrist thingy. Ooh, look at that. I know these are kind of popular with everyone, so I ordered a few of these. So cute. So I'm not going to show y'all everything. I've got, oh, look at that one. That one is so cute. So cute. Let me see. Oh, and I ordered some hooks. I need more hooks for my numbers and stuff. Yeah. You want to see what they are? Here. See, they're hooks. They're just hooks. 25 hooks per box. Yeah, I should have gotten clear ones, but when I first got my starter kit, they sent black, so I just wanted to keep with the theme. Yay! Ooh, these are so cute. I've been curious about these little bracelets. So some of this stuff has already sold because I have a pre-order photo album on my business page. To get to my business page, all you have to do is type in the search box My Glamarazzi and it takes you to my business page. And you might get confused because it'll pop up as Glama, so just click on Glama. They won't let me change my business page name to My Glamarazzi, so the URL is My Glamarazzi though. Look at this. That one hasn't sold yet. Okay, so this is the bag. Ooh, it's heavy. Wow, it's heavier. I thought it wasn't going to be as good a quality. It's pretty good quality. Oh, and Finesse told me I need to order jewelry with color. So I ordered this nice yellow one. It's new on my website. And I ordered this purple one that has like a braid on it. It's a big one. Oh, and I've been really curious. I've already sold one of these on my pre-order album. But this is what I'm the most excited to see for now because that jewelry is not all for me. That jewelry is to sell. You're so silly. Wow. It's not even real leather, but it feels like real leather. Wow, I like it. It's good quality. Ooh, and it's pink on the inside and it's huge. Wow, look how wide that opens up to. Looks like a diaper bag. But I'm going to put all my bling in there. And it says Paparazzi right there. Shh. And it says Paparazzi right there. And you can put stuff in here. Oh, it's got pockets in the back for like necklaces in the back. Earrings and bracelets maybe in the front. It's got zippers so you can slide things in and out of there. So cool. I'm so excited. Yeah. And then I can either fill these pockets up with jewelry. It's got 2 pockets on this side, 2 pockets on this side, or I can fill the whole thing up with jewelry, or I can put my purse in here and put jewelry around it. Okay, that way I can carry my purse and this and not have to carry 2 bags. This is so cool. Let me see if you can kinda see the quality of it. It is such good quality. So cool. Here it is, close up. It says Paparazzi on both sides. And it has a snap closure. Lots of space in there, guys. Let me kind of hold it up to me just for reference so you can see how big it is. Move, baby. Move for a second, baby. Move, Petrova. Move. See, look how big that is. I'm 4'11" and a half. And let me see if I can... Let me see. Yeah, so look at how big that is. Wow. You didn't have to move that far back, baby. Wow, yeah, so that's gonna be awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the jewelry, label it, and then tonight I'm gonna have the Paparazzi live party. Do you wanna say bye to everyone? Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Say adios.
Adios.
Okay.